Are you wondering which is better for project collaboration, Asana or Confluence? Both are well-known tools, but which one truly stands out for managing your projects? By the end of this video, I'll give you a solid answer, and I'll even suggest a better alternative you might not have considered yet. Let's start with Asana. It's a tool built specifically for managing tasks and projects. Asana offers a clean, intuitive interface that's designed to help teams track work with minimal friction. You can create projects, set deadlines, assign tasks, and even visualize your work with Kanban boards or Gantt charts. If you're managing tasks, Asana is all about simplifying the process. The integration with tools like Google Drive and Slack makes it easy to collaborate without jumping between apps. Next thing, Asana is best for teams who need a tool that emphasizes clear task delegation and tracking. If your main goal is straightforward project management with a focus on deadlines and deliverables, Asana might seem like the ideal choice. But if you need something more robust for knowledge sharing and collaborative documentation, Asana starts to feel a little limited. Moving over to Confluence. Confluence by Atlassian is a tool that shines when it comes to collaboration around knowledge and content creation. Think of it as a powerful wiki where teams can create, share, and collaborate on documents in real time. It's ideal for teams that need to keep detailed records of their project discussions, brainstorming sessions, and meeting notes in a centralized location. But Confluence isn't a task management tool like Asana. Sure, it has some basic project tracking capabilities, but it's not as specialized when it comes to tasks and deadlines. If you want a tool that helps your team stay organized and on top of project milestones, Confluence alone might not cut it. You'd need to pair it with something like Jira or Trello for full-fledged project management. Now, the fourth thing to consider is how well these tools integrate with other platforms. Asana has a wide range of integrations with apps like Google Workspace, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, making it a versatile tool for project management. However, Confluence is deeply integrated with other Atlassian products, like Jira and Trello, which makes it a great option if you're already using those tools. If you're not in the Atlassian ecosystem, though, Confluence can feel a bit isolated. Another key point is user experience. Asana's user interface is straightforward, with task lists and project boards designed to make work feel streamlined. It's easy to pick up and use, even for new users. Confluence, on the other hand, can be overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with Atlassian's suite. It's more complex because it's designed to serve different needs, like documentation and collaboration, so the learning curve can be steep. The sixth thing is pricing. Asana offers a free plan, but if you want access to its premium features, you'll need to upgrade. Confluence also has a free plan with limited features, and like Asana, its premium version requires a subscription. If you're working with a larger team or need advanced features, both tools can get pricey, especially when you start adding integrations and power-ups. So, which is better? If you're purely looking for project management with clear task tracking and deadlines, Asana is a solid option. It's ideal for teams who need to stay organized and ensure that everything is on schedule. However, if you're working on knowledge-heavy projects and need a place to document everything with your team, Confluence will serve you better for collaboration and content creation. But here's the thing. After trying both Asana and Confluence myself, I've found that neither of them does the job as well as they should for overall project collaboration. If you want a more effective solution that handles everything from tasks to knowledge sharing, there's a better alternative. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. This alternative will streamline your project collaboration in ways Asana and Confluence can't quite match. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.